Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fit and fine. I'm also doing great. Today I again came back in front of camera to practice speaking, and right now I am alone in my room. But my other friend come to me, and right now he is lying on the bed. But he it is forbidden for me to don't show him in videos because he feels shy, because I am also feel shy, but day by day I am reducing my shyness in front of camera, because it is very helpful for me to reduce shyness and build my confidence. So day by day I am practicing regularly, because I inclined very much to be a fluent speaker. And a few minutes ago I started my cooking, because every day I cook by myself for me. And some my friend told me that you you can keep one chef with with your friends together. But I told that it is not good for me, because when chef I will chef I will keep chef, it's extra expense will be for me. So that's why I can save some money for uh, cooking by myself. So it's good practicing every day in front of camera. And today I am cooking frying seam. Okay, I am cooking bean, it's English.